This is my easy, creamy sausage and mustard pie, the perfect comfort food for when those autumn nights are drawing in. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now, this sausage and mustard pie is really simple to throw together. You cook it all in one pan and then finish off with pastry in the oven. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by frying off the sausage. So to a large oven-proof pan, add a tablespoon of oil and turn on the heat to medium-high. Then we're going to add about 6 chopped sausages and fry them for about 5 minutes until lightly browned all over. Then remove from the pan and place on a plate. They don't have to be fully cooked through at this point. Next into the pan goes an onion and 2 carrots that have been peeled and chopped. We're going to fry them for about 5 minutes until the onion starts to soften. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper and 3 minced cloves of garlic and stir it all together. Next in goes a tablespoon of plain all-purpose flour and give it a good mix together to coat the onions and the carrots. Now pour in 600 ml, which is about 2½ cups of chicken stock, along with 1 heaped tablespoon of wholegrain mustard. We're also going to add in 2 medium potatoes that have been peeled and chopped into 2 cm pieces. Stir it all together and then let it simmer for about 10 minutes until the potatoes are just starting to go tender at the edges. Now add in those cooked sausages from earlier, along with 80 ml, which is about 1/4 cup plus a tablespoon of double or heavy cream. Then give it a good stir together and turn off the heat. Now we're going to top the dish with puff pastry. I'm using 2 320 gram or 11 ounce rolls of puff pastry that I've squished together. Then we just roll the pastry onto the inside of the dish. You might also want to add a little bit of decoration to your pie, like these puff pastry leaves that I've added. Prick the pie a couple of times with a sharp knife to allow the steam to escape during cooking. Now brush the top of the pastry all over with egg wash. That goes in a preheated oven at 200C or 400F for about 20 minutes until that pastry is lovely and golden. Now, I'd really like to hear your thoughts on this. Do you consider this recipe to be a pie with it not having pastry underneath? Now, personally, I consider it to be a casserole or a stew with a pastry lid on top, but I have to call it a pie for YouTube search purposes. But I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. Let me know in the comments below. Once that pie is lovely and golden, we're going to remove it from the oven and serve. This pie should easily serve 6 people. So that's my easy, creamy sausage and mustard pie. Fabulous, inexpensive comfort food. It serves 6 people, or you can freeze the leftovers. And check it out here for some more pies. See you next time.